Hey everyone, are you ready to turn your sad average shower into a luxury spa experience? Introducing the AquaBliss HD Heavy Duty High Output Shower Filter. This isn't just any shower filter, it's the superhero your bathroom never knew it needed. Imagine stepping into your shower and being greeted not by the usual chlorine monster and its gang of limescale hooligans, but by a cascade of purified, rejuvenating water. The AquaBliss filter transforms your shower into a waterfall of wellness, so powerful you might just start believing in magic. And let's talk about installation. So easy, even your pet goldfish could do it. Just twist it on and voila, you're ready to indulge in the kind of clean that makes you feel like royalty. No tools, no plumbers, and no need to call your neighbor for help. Now, you might be asking, does it really make a difference? Oh, you bet your rubber ducky it does. The AquaBliss HD not only reduces chlorine, dirt, and odors, but it also sings lullabies. Okay, maybe not the lullabies, but your skin and hair will feel so soft and refreshed, you'll be singing in the shower every chance you get. Now, you might be asking, does it really make a difference? Oh, you bet your rubber ducky it does. The AquaBliss HD not only reduces chlorine, dirt, and odors, but it also sings lullabies. Okay, maybe not the lullabies part, but your skin and hair will feel so soft and refreshed, you'll be singing in the shower every chance you get. So don't just shower, shower with purpose. With the AquaBliss HD Heavy Duty High Output Shower Filter, you're not just cleaning your body, you're pampering it. Dive into the bliss of filtered water and emerge feeling like a superstar, because you deserve a shower that works as hard as you do. Get yours today and shower like a boss. Trust me, your skin and hair will thank you. Your shower will be the talk of the town, or at least the talk of your household. Okay, I've got my ducky and I'm heading to the showers. Later!